Hello and welcome back to MACH 2024. It's the last day. Stuart, how are you doing?
I'm buzzing, yeah. We've had an amazing show. It's been so good here. The positivity around the halls, meeting all these amazing companies, these engineering precision companies, aerospace, medical. It's just been so great, Rowan, honestly. And we've had an amazing time here, Mastercam UK. Yeah, I've been blown away with the positivity around the arena.
Absolutely, it's the first time you've been here in this form. We've got an announcement to make live today on the live stream here at Mastercam, and a lovely little story from a customer that happened yesterday as well. If you've not noticed, we are here on the Mastercam stand. There's only a few hours left of MACH 2024, so a lot of people are exhausted. A lot of people are pretty excited about what's happened, though. Maybe a little bit sad they can't come back tomorrow. I'll see how I feel by the end of the day. But we've got a lot to show you today at Mastercam. We've got a machine tool running a really fantastic demo. We're going to show some brand new features. Rich is going to give us some demonstrations live about what is coming out in Mastercam 2025 in July, right?
Yeah.
So that's a really exciting new version of the software. But first of all, Stuart, the announcement, Mastercam, this is the first time Mastercam has been here in this form. Why is that?
Yeah, so I'm really excited that Mastercam UK are here this year. Really excited. It's our first visit to the MACH show as Mastercam UK. We are now a wholly owned subsidiary of Mastercam, which means that we can bring the very best sales service and support to our existing customers within the UK market, and also as a result of the hard work the team have been doing this week. We've made so many fantastic connections this week that we're looking forward to having those conversations with those hopefully customers of the future moving forward.
It's really exciting times for Mastercam, even though you're kind of the new kid on the block right now in this form, but you've been around for 40 years. So there's a rock solid cam system backing that up.
Absolutely, proven technology. We have over 300,000 cam installations worldwide, a massive global reseller network, best-in-class support from Mastercam based out of the US, and also very proud to be part of the Sandvik group of companies.
Yeah.
So we have some amazing technical partners that we have here with us on the stand also this week, representatives from Sandvik Coromant. We've had representatives from one of our technical partners, Engineering Technology Group, who are also the Mastercam reseller in Ireland, and also one of our own additional subsidiary companies, a company called Postability, who are based out of Canada. We had one of their representatives here with us all week, and they only specialize in post-processors for Mastercam. So we're really excited that we're bringing a full end-to-end solution to our customers, to our industry partners. And I think one of the things I've personally enjoyed the most this week is the amount of customers and just contacts that have come on asking general questions, and we're really pleased that we've been able to help and support and answer those questions for members of the UK manufacturing community.
Absolutely, it's wonderful that you've got the local UK manufacturing support here now, but you've got that global support as well that help you produce beautiful demos like this in partnership with Sandvik Coromant.
Absolutely. So yeah, I mean, there's just a couple of really fun showpieces that we've had on display this week.
If you take a closer look, you can see the beautiful 5-axis toolpaths on here that just prove Mastercam's ability in not just standard subcontract 2.5D drilling, milling, standard operations, but really high specification 5-axis operations as well.
Yeah, absolutely, and obviously when you combine that with the power and the technology and the technical expertise from our partners such as Sandvik Coromant and also CG Tech, shout out to those guys as well. Yeah, we're really in a great position to offer the best possible support and services that we can to our customer base.
Absolutely, and we're going to talk a little bit about Mill-Turn later, but Mastercam is a fully fledged cam system that can work with anything a precision engineering house needs, right?
Absolutely, yeah, it's an end-to-end solution running through lathe, Mill-2D, Mill-3D, multi-axis. We've also got a fantastic selection of product add-ons. So if you're working with turbines, blisks, and our Blade Expert product, but also we do probing. Yeah, we've got the complete solution. And it's really cool because it means that we can hopefully answer any questions that customers have and really do our best to support them with a tailored package that meets their requirements.
Absolutely, so if you're a precision subcontractor, precision engineering house, you've got lots of different components coming through the door every single day, you need to know you have a CAM system that you can rely on that can program all of those components quickly and efficiently. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Stuart. We're going to come back to Stuart in a little bit. As the managing director, I want to talk to him again because he's got a lot to say. We've got a lovely story about this component here, which we will talk about in a little bit. Before that, we have Mastercam. Brand new features coming in 2025. Hello. How are you doing, Richard?
I'm doing well, thank you very much.
Good to see you. If you bring the microphone up a little bit closer, we can hear you.
Yes.
Brilliant. So we talked to Richard yesterday, doing some videos about demonstrations of Mastercam. I was so impressed with the live demos. None of them went wrong at all. We'll see what happens today.
So far, thank you.
So far, okay. I love the confidence, Richard. Thank you. Brilliant. So you're going to be showing us some brand new features today. What are you going to be showing
what
us?
we've got, just a couple of highlights for 2025. If you have a customer who's got the Mill-Turn package, we're supporting Y-axis turning now. If you have a B-axis head on your Mill-Turn machine, so we can
So Y-axis turning, meaning you're not moving the X-axis, the standard diameter on a
It can still move in X, it can still move up and down in X while traversing the profile, but we got the B-axis head spin over at a 90-degree angle. We're loading a turning tool, so rather than doing the traditional approach for turning tool, coming down from above, we can tackle the job from the side. Better forces acting on the part rather than machining from above.
Okay, so the benefits are in the cutting process itself.
Cutting process, yeah, and better handling of forces on the machine as well. So we've got the simulation there. And this is a Mastercam simple simulation, but Mill-Turn comes with full machine simulation. So to verify that, we can get the machine up and running.
Wow, you've got the full machine simulated here with the B-axis.
Yeah.
And I guess this helps more with collision avoidance as well, collision detection.
Collision detection, axis overruns, rotary axis overruns, all get reported in the simulation.
And yeah, fascinating. It's amazing you can use one tool to do left-handed grooving, right-handed grooving, do all this kind of quite complex, what looks like a simple feature, but you'd have to do normally two different tools, or maybe a grooving tool and a buffing tool. With this single tool, you can do every single feature.
Absolutely right, yeah. So it's getting more flexible, basically, with the tools that you've got. Yeah.
Brilliant. Saving more tools, meaning you could maybe put more driven tooling in your turret, which would be quite useful. And Mastercam is actually, it's quite good at Mill-Turn as well.
Yes, yeah, it is. So yeah, Mill-Turn, we're trying to make the software more useful and drive better value out of your investment.
Yeah, and we're going to be seeing a live demo on quite a high-spec Mill-Turn machine a little bit later.
Yep.
You've got some more features to show.
Yeah, there's a couple other things coming. It's been a highly requested feature for Mastercam 3-axis users. We've had a 5-axis strategy in the multi-axis group called deburr. So they've been asking for this in 3-axis milling. So we now for 2025 will have 3-axis deburring, no multi-axis add-on license required.
That's interesting because I guess mostly deburring is like a big complex 5-axis cycle. It's quite a large cycle time to do that.
It can
Why would you want a 3-axis deburring cycle?
So well, if you've only got a 3-axis machine, essentially.
You can't do 5-axis.
Yeah, exactly.
Not possible.
Yeah. So without even if you had a 3-axis machine, if you wanted to use Mastercam's deburring facility, you had to purchase a 5-axis add-on.
Oh, okay.
Because that's only where it lived.
Brilliant.
But
so this is now brought back to people who just have 3-axis. So
yes.
if you didn't know that, if you've got Mastercam and you don't have 5-axis, unfortunately, you can now do deburring come July.
Yeah, exactly that, with 2025.
Brilliant. If you've got any questions for Rich as well, get those into the channels right now, because Rich will be with him for a little bit longer, and he's one of the experts here at Mastercam.
25 years, man and boy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And so let's keep going. How many more features
So just
have we
another
got?
thing I want to show. It's another often requested feature. We have trochoidal milling in Mastercam. We've had it for many years, but one request that's been coming in is semi-finished passes or finished passes as part of the dynamic roughing cycle. So this little entry there, the finishing passes, is new. So you've got finish options, multiple passes with spacing, spring passes as well, cutter comp if you need it, wear compensation, G41 or G42 on G codes, or whatever your machine requires.
The computer, the control.
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant.
And lead in, lead out passes available there. If you're used to Mastercam, this window will be very
That's really quite useful because the trochoidal cycles normally leave these kind of little lips from the trochoidal passes, from the lead in, leads out.
Which
so
can
it's
make finishing with a smaller tool a little bit tricky.
Exactly. So previously you'd have to kind of add an extra operation, do a semi-finish, an extra operation.
Exactly that.
About collapsing all that down just to a single operation in programming time, because you're still using the same tool, but you want to do a different operation. It takes more time to program.
Yeah, so gets that material out, makes your life easier for the finishing tool.
But it means people might reach for the trochoidal a little bit sooner because they're not going to have those awkward lips after a trochoidal operation as well.
Yeah, that's it. So just hopefully get more people into dynamic milling. Because it's been around for a long time, but we're just finding a lot of people aren't really embracing it. So hopefully we'll get it there. get their full flute machining going on, save time and make more money, hopefully.
Absolutely. And there's also accelerated finishing, which is kind of a feature that's been in Mastercam for a while, but that's something you want to shout about, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So if I find a suitable
I'm challenging
file,
Rich now because I didn't know what was coming up. So let's see how many Mastercam programs you can run at once
if
here.
I could, I might be able to bring in an operation there.
You're seeing some live thinking on your feet now.
No panicking.
I can see the
at
cogs
all.
whirring.
Yeah.
If
I go and create a brand new tool from the library.
Okay.
So accelerated finishing, here's the forms that we could potentially support. Lens forms, barrel,
these
oval,
are complex
and a taper.
tool forms, which are, it's something quite difficult for smaller contractors to take on that kind of technology, because it's normally quite hard to program.
Yeah. Well, we can use that with 3-axis machining as well as 5-axis machining. So also 3+2 positioning. So get the table at an angle, engage the barrel form with a larger radius, bigger step overs, more engagement, get the job out the door quicker.
And that means the components with more difficult kind of port milling requirements or complex walls that need finishing, those components that normally would be done by really high-spec precision engineering houses can get done by, I guess, what would traditionally, engineering companies that would traditionally be doing more simpler components can maybe with Mastercam.
They could tackle that, and one thing that might have put them off on more complex components is they might have been using bore nose tools, lots of small cuts, lots of small steps, takes a long time. So if they've got a 3-axis machine and they've been shying away from this sort of processes because of bore nosing complex features.
It would take too long, not make enough money.
So if we can get great engagement, larger step downs with the accelerating finishing tools, then they'll get the job out the door.
Brilliant. Thanks so much, Richard, for the overview of Mastercam 2025 coming soon. I'll take the mic off you now. We're going to be moving on to a machine tool now. It's going to be showing a demo we've got here to highlight Mastercam's Mill-Turn specialties. Now, I'm here with Stephen Noak. Hello, Stephen.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Afternoon, morning? No, it's morning. Okay, just checking.
Still morning, yeah.
And you've got a demo to show us, haven't you?
Yes, we're pleased to bring the Nakamura WT150 with us. That's showing some of the dynamic milling toolpaths that we're doing. We're doing high-speed dynamic roughing of this bore. We're using dynamic motion roughing for the groove. We're using prime turning cycles from Sandvik Coromant. We're doing pinch turning with the 2 spindles and 2 turrets together. So yeah, we're really pleased to be here.
There's loads happening. You've explained so much in such a short amount of time. So first of all, prime turning. I mean, this is kind of highlighting the collaboration between Mastercam and Sandvik Coromant.
Absolutely, absolutely. The prime turning toolpaths that are now available in Mastercam can hugely reduce production time.
This is a prime turning tool right here, right?
Yeah, this is a Y-axis prime turning tool.
Oh, you're a stronger man than me.
I'll try and hold it all. But with the prime turning toolpaths, we can sort of achieve 20% reduction in production times. We can use accelerated finishing away from workpieces. We have better swarf control. It's just a really, really good system for twin spindle, twin turret mill turns.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's when you've got, I guess, quite a high-spec machine here that can handle driven tooling, some good milling operations.
Yeah.
If you use one of these tools, you can maybe reduce your static tool count and increase the amount of milling tools you've got to be able to do more complex components like this.
Exactly. With the prime tools, with the new prime forms, we can do lots of different geometries. We can do undercuts. We can reverse turn. We can do much more with the new style of insert, allowing us to put in, like you say, much more milling content in our parts. So we can have driven tools on every station in the WT. We have the Y-axis on the upper turret. So really, we are virtually a milling machine, with turning. It's a huge step forward for people.
Yeah, when you've got all those features packed into quite a small space that you can then bar feed, meaning you can automate. This is quite a round component, but we've seen more and more traditional kind of lathes with extra milling starting to make kind of more square components.
Exactly.
That are less suited to lathes.
Guys now are producing purely prismatic parts on mill turns. So long gone are the days where we only produce round components with a few slots, a few holes. Now we're producing square parts, rectangular parts. We use complex work holding to be able to pick it up, finish the rear end. There's no limit now really to what we could do on a mill turn.
Yeah, exactly. Can you show us now? Could you get the machine running? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Perfect. This is where it all goes right. Yeah, fantastic. We want to see these machines turning and moving. And that's the wonderful thing about coming to MACH is you can see the machines running themselves and cutting these exact components.
Exactly. This is a great example we're seeing here of the prime turning in Mastercam. So we turn away from the spindle, which is new. So we drag all of the swarf that would normally nest around the component away.
You're turning the
from
wrong way there,
workpiece.
Steve.
No, it's definitely the right way.
No, you're turning the right way. Fascinating. And I guess you have quite a large lead angle on that tool, meaning you can use a lot of that carbide tip.
Exactly. We
with
roll
a low step down.
Yeah, that style of insert enables us to roll into cut, so we can take up to 4mm deep, and we can accelerate to maybe 0.7mm per rev with our feed rates. And the good thing is, we'll bring all the swarf with us, which is exactly what we need to do with a sub-spindle machine. We do not want the sub-spindle to be able to grip the part with swarf wrapped around it, so that the tool paths really help us.
And that also helps not only with making a single part coming to grip the part, but if you're trying to automate this and making 1,000 off overnight, you need to make sure that automated process is stable.
It's clean, swarf-free, runs repeatedly, and that's exactly what the new tools will do for us.
Absolutely. And what I find fascinating is when customers buy a machine with high spec capabilities, lots of milling, lots of turning, you need to try and get the best out of that machine. I assume they come at a higher cost to a more standard machine, and so you need to try and I guess your CAD-CAM system is really important in trying to get the best out of that machine.
Exactly. With complex workpieces, you need a reliable CAN system that will just enable you to post and go straight to your machine. And that's what we get with Mastercam. Mastercam Mill-Turn enables us to program really complex machines really simply, and the post processors are that good, and the Mill-Turn environment, so we can see exactly how the machine is going to behave. We can post and go, and it just dramatically reduces programming time. Guys in the engineering offices are using it and thinking, this is really reducing our times.
Yeah, absolutely. I guess it helps also that ETG supply Mastercam in Ireland.
We do.
Mastercam is sold direct in the UK, but in Ireland, you guys will be selling the machine tools and Mastercam. So you can work really closely and make sure that these high-spec machine tools are used to the best of their abilities.
That's it. We believe in delivering a full turnkey package. So we deliver the machine tool, we deliver the tooling, and we deliver the program and the software for the customer to use.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're interested in moving into doing more automated mill turning on high-spec machines just like this, then Mastercam is definitely going to be a good grounding for not only your standard components, but also more complex components like this as well.
Exactly. Mastercam Mill-Turn, absolutely super.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Steve. I'm
No
going to take the
problem.
microphone off you if that's okay. And thank you for picking up all the tools. I love it. We've now got a customer story to tell you. This is hot off the press. This happened yesterday. And Stuart, here's your microphone.
Hi there, Rowan.
You're going to talk to us a little bit about this, aren't you? Let's move around a little bit, get a better view of the stand.
Cool, thanks.
And you're going to tell us a little bit about this. What
Yeah, so one of our customers that we've been working with, a new customer actually, over the sort of last 3 to 6 months, a real great opportunity for us on the Mill-Turn application, working with a really complex machine. And the team have been working really, really hard down at the customer's premises to achieve the desired and required specification and tolerance on their parts.
Can you tell us anything about the kind of components that they're making? Is it a
Yeah,
little bit
so
sensitive?
they're a well-known supplier into Formula One.
Nice, that's cool.
So yeah, we were really excited about the opportunity to work with their team, and my team particularly have really enjoyed the challenge of deploying our Mill-Turn.
It's nice to see a little component that might be on I guess a Red
Bull,
Bull, Mercedes, or some kind of
obviously
car.
can't talk to that, but yeah, we're really excited just about the technical challenge, because obviously, my applications team, my applications specialists, that's what they thrive off. I'm really passionate about us, as the Japanese saying, going to the gemba. We need to go and see where it's at, where the chips are flying, and make sure that we're present to support our customers. And yeah, that's what it's all about for us.
And the
it's
result,
about relation. Yeah, and
the result.
and for the customer to completely, sort of unannounced appear yesterday afternoon and present us with this little sort of...
Go and hold it like a trophy.
Well,
it's
it is a trophy. I'm
so
trying not...
You.
You can tell I'm beaming about this, because it was a special moment for us. Obviously, it's our first MACH show, and to have that as a real sort of thank you from the customer it meant a heck of a lot to us, basically, because we really pride ourselves on trying to go above and beyond in terms of our customer service and our technical support, and it was a great testament to know that we're headed in the right direction. So Yeah, and I would invite any any companies out there that would maybe like to connect with us and find out a little bit more about the journey that we're on with Mastercam UK and our clients. Yeah, if you're curious, come and get in touch. Support at mastercam.co.uk. My name's Stuart Adams. You can find me all over the usual socials. So please reach out. We're a small, very, very focused team at the moment. We have a team of applications engineers that are nationwide, supporting our clients day to day, and it's what we love.
Absolutely, it's a local team here at Mastercam UK, but you're supported globally.
Yes.
You have a huge amount of technology at your fingertips, and this is proof in the pudding. One of the customers here giving you #1. Let's hope a few more give you the same over the coming years. Thank you so much, Stuart.
Thank you,
and
Roy.
thank you for watching the MACH live stream here in MACH 2024. Keep watching the channel to see the more lives that are coming out today. Thank you for watching.